How to add foreign friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add foreign friends on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the add friends icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is you can just ask for your international friends for their Snapchat username, and here you can just enter it in the search bar and simply add them. Or you can even ask for your international friend to share their snap code, and by that, you can just open the Snapchat and scan their account code, and after that, you will be able to send or add them instantly. And here, with that, you can also ask the phone number of your friend. And here, if your friend has linked the international number with Snapchat, then you can easily add them via the contacts. And here, after finding your friends, you can just tap on add, and after that, Snapchat may suggest foreign friends based on mutual contacts and interest. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.